Present continuous tense. Definition of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a form of tense used to describe activities that are being carried out or taking place nowadays. In essence, the present continuous tense serves to indicate an event that is currently happening, commonly happening, and can continue into the future. The present continuous tense has a characteristic to make it easier for readers to remember, namely the addition of ing behind the verb. So it will become verb ing in here, okay? We use verb ing. Next, in present continuous tense also have adverb of time that divided into two, namely at the time of speaking and around the time of speaking. The first one, you can use the time of speaking for talking while doing outdoor activities at the same time. There are some expressions here like now, right now, at the moment, and at present. And then around the time of speaking, the activities you do happen around the time of the conversations. There are also some expression here like this year, this month, this week, and this semester. And then next, we have social function in present continuous tense. It's divided into 5. That was current things happen, temporary event, action, new habits, and future plans. Number 1, these tenses generally have a function to indicate the action that is happening. Example, I am writing this letter to express my sadness. Number 2, the difference with first point is that usually the first function shows the last activity for a short time, while at second point, it can tells event that take place for a long time but only happen temporarily. Okay, example, Amanda is fulfilling the attendance list. Number 3, these tenses can also used to tell an activity which occurs around the time of conversation. Example, Arnold is spending a lot of his money this week. And then number 4, these tenses also can be used to accentuate the contrast between old and new events or habits. Example, today they are eating less than a few days ago. And then number 5, it's future plans. That present continuous can be used to talk about plans that will definitely happen in the near future. Example, my new video is starting on Saturday night. Okay, so next, we go to the formula of present continuous tense. So the formula for present continuous tense is divided into 3. That was positive, negative, and interrogative. So I told you guys to have a look carefully to carry out the differences between them. Okay, so right now we're entering the positive sentence and the structure is subject, to be, and verb ing. Don't forget that to be is divided into 3. That were is, am, and are. Okay, the form is subject, to be, and verb ing for the positive sentence, okay? The example is, my sister is reading a novel in my room. Okay, next we enter the negative sentence. The structure is almost the same as before, but it adds the word not between to be and the verb. So it becomes subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing. The example, Andre is not going to the cinema these days. Okay, next, for the last, we're entering the interrogative sentence, in which the structure will be a little bit different than the positive and negative sentence, because the to be that was located in the middle of the sentence in earlier, it currently moved to the very front of the sentence, which was then followed by subject and verb ing. And don't forget, guys, to put a question mark at the end of the sentence because it was interrogative sentence which stating a question. So it becomes to be plus subject plus verb ing plus question mark. Okay. The example is Andre playing football with his friends? Like that. Okay. That's the 3 kind of sentence in present continuous. Okay, that was closings of this PPT, okay? So thank you for watching me till the end and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.